Good morning. We've got just plain ground beef today because I'm going to be meeting with my boss. And I don't need to smell like onions and mushroom. Well, onions. But look, it's got onion in it too. But it's not as strong as it's not as strong as real onions. So I'll put some that and that salt in it. So I'm just going to have this for my breakfast today. That, and I got my coffee, my protein coffee. I still drink that every morning. So that's what we're having this morning. Lunch today is the pork steaks that I made over the weekend. 6 ounces of pork steak and those pickled veggies. So that is my lunch for today. Okay, supper. I just pull things out and eat them. So sometimes I'll eat pork twice a day or beef or steak twice a day. I never know. This was 6 ounces of pork that I cooked this weekend. If you're new to my channel, on weekends I do my batch cooking. So if you go back to my Saturday videos, any of my Saturday videos, that's where I do all of my meal prepping because I prefer to just nuke it in the microwave and eat it. This is still cold, so I'm going to do this a little longer. So this is zucchini and squash. And yeah, so that's what I do. So then in the evening time, I don't have to think. I don't have to be, I was hungry on my drive home. And so I knew that as soon as I got home, all I had to do is pop this in the microwave and that in the microwave and I'm ready to go. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And check out my Saturday meal preps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Also, look at these big boys. Man, oh man. So this weekend, I'll saute up some zucchini again. They feel good and firm. So hopefully they'll make it to the weekend. If not, I'll saute them up, tomorrow or tomorrow's Thursday. Thursday or Friday, I'll saute them up. But anyway, so yeah, I'll saute those up and I'll be eating on those this week, just like I'm eating on this. I got a thing of these when I went to the Walmarts on Friday. This is LaCroix Limoncello. I just wanted to try it. It's okay. It's not super strong, but it's good. It's a nice flavor. Sometimes you just want a little flavor, so that is what I'm having for supper. A little limoncello LaCroix, my pork steak bites, and my sauteed zucchini and squash. And then I'll plug everything in so you know what I'm eating and what the outcome was. Have a good day. Here's my macros. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good night.